and welcome back to Googie's Kitchen, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis and I post 2 videos a week on a Tuesday and a Thursday at 7 AM. So if you love a variety channel like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you how to make my bacon and Mediterranean pesto and pasta. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how to make my delicious bacon and roasted Mediterranean vegetable pesto and pasta. Now this recipe is really easy to do, and this one I love making because it is that easy, and also I love making it because I know my husband and son will eat it. They are big bacon and pork fans, so I know their plates will be cleaned by the end of the meal. And I'm going to be making it for our dinner this evening, so of course while I was making it I thought I'd share the recipe with you. So here is how to make my delicious bacon and roasted Mediterranean vegetable pesto and pasta. Firstly, I'm going to preheat my oven to 200 degrees. The oven is preheating, and while it was preheating I prepared my vegetables, and I also put this baking tray into the oven as well. This is a stoneware baking tray, and I find it cooks things better once it's heated up. So I like to heat it up while the oven is preheating. You don't have to do this, but I do find with stoneware that it does cook things slightly better if it's heated up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my vegetables into the stoneware. So I have some whole tomatoes that I'm just going to throw in. I've got about 3. I think in the original recipe I said 2 to 4, sorry. And then I've got 1 onion that I've just simply peeled and cut into chunks. So I've just I've halved it and then quartered the halves. So I'm just going to throw those in as well. And then I've got about 8 cloves of garlic as well that I've just taken off. Once they come out and have cooled, I will remove them from the skins, but I'm just going to cook them in the skins. And then I also have 1 courgette that I've peeled and cut into 1 centimetre pieces, maybe 2 centimetre pieces. And I also have some aubergine. Actually that was the aubergine that I've cut into 2 centimetre pieces. And then I've just cut the courgette into rounds about 1 centimetre each as well. And I'm just going to throw all of these into the baking tray. And now I'm going to put olive oil on them as well. And I shall put some salt on there as well. A pinch or 2 of salt, big pinches of salt. And I'm also going to add a little bit of pepper. We like pepper in this house, but we don't like too much, so I'm just going to add a little bit. And I'm also going to get my oven gloves so I can toss the vegetables in the oil. So as I said, I'm going to toss the vegetables in the oil and the salt and the pepper, like so. Just going to collect that bit of garlic that I threw over there while I was tossing them. And I'm now going to put these into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the vegetables go a lovely golden brown colour. The vegetables are a lovely golden brown colour, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these out of the oven now and I'm going to leave them to cool. I made my pesto earlier, and I have already done a video on making pesto, which I will link in the description box below for you. But now I'm going to put my cooled vegetables into my blender with my pesto, like so. And these are really nice and full. I've also taken off the skin from the garlic as well, so I don't have to worry about that when it goes in. Yeah, I left these to cool for a good half an hour, and they are very cool now. So I'm just going to put all of them into the blender. And then I'm going to blend all of these ingredients together. I've blended the vegetables and the pesto together until they are smooth-ish. They don't have to be that smooth, but they are smooth-ish. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil some pasta and cook the bacon, and then I'll put everything together at the end. So I've cooked my pasta and I've added this pasta to the sauce, not the other way around. So I drain the pasta and then I put the sauce in the same saucepan, and I've just added it in and I've mixed it all round. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some of the pasta into this bowl, like so. And then I've also cooked some bacon, so I just put the bacon under the grill and I cooked the pasta as per the packet instructions. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the bacon on top. In the original recipe, I think I said to cut it up, but I can't be bothered tonight, so I'm just going to serve it like this, and that is our dinner done. That's how you make my delicious bacon and roasted Mediterranean pesto and pasta, and that recipe I will link in the description box below for you. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be having this for my dinner this evening and it smells so good, I can't wait. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.